Now, when we look at the full service, which includes software, you get a little bit more bang here. Now, first of all, you don't have to send us your bill of materials. You can send us a flat parts list that represents all the parts and materials you use for all your products, basically an approved parts list. What this means is you're not sending your bill of materials outside of your company. You're maintaining those under your control at all times. Even though we have data security processes in place that are compliant with ISO 27001, and we are working under NDA, there's still some companies that prefer not to export their bombs for security reasons, especially military contractors and things like that. So this might be a better option for those kind of companies. In that case, we're going to just go ahead and take that parts list and go ahead and engage the supply chain the same way I described with the turnkey. Once we have done that, instead of delivering the final product reports to you, we'll deliver this data information directly into your software at the part level, in which case you can now load your bill of materials in there and extract compliance reports from the software on all of your products, and not just for SCIP or REACH, but for things like Proposition 65, RoHS, China RoHS, California RoHS, halogen-free, ozone-depleting substances, persistent organic pollutants, PFAS, it just goes on and on, right? So you have the ability to do detailed substance analysis and compliance analysis against all regulations within the software. This isn't just a SCIP solution at this point. It becomes a full solution. And because you're loading the bombs in there, and this can reside behind your firewall, you're keeping all of your proprietary information completely under your control. You also get the complete capability to submit and export these dossiers, so you can export these and pass those on. You can submit dossiers directly to the SCIP portal from the software itself. Generate the human readable SCIP reports that your customers need when they ask you for your SCIP information. You can manage your SCIP submission history and see exactly what was submitted and when, including snapshots of everything that was ever submitted, as well as the analysis for other regulations. And by the way, you can also hook this up to your PLM or your ERP system, so the bill of materials can be flowing in here automatically, and the compliance status of your products can be flowing back into your ERP or PLMs automatically as well. So you can have a full turnkey solution built around the software and use this for full product compliance to all regulations, while being in complete control of your SCIP submissions. And the software will also track your products for changes, track your parts and materials you're using for changes, and track the SVHC list for changes, so that if any of those things change and that impacts your portfolio or your SCIP dossiers that you've submitted, the software will let you know so you can resubmit. So this keeps your SCIP submissions up to date, as well as all your other regulations and obligations for reporting up to date.
Learn more by viewing the full-length video online at greensofttech.com/videos. Plus, learn about our environmental regulation solutions online at greensofttech.com.